Treatment of primary open angle glaucoma, one is the medical treatment, in which we have different sets of drops like beta blockers, carbonic anhydrase inhibitors, prostaglandin analogues, sympathomimetics, pilocarpine. So we start with one drug, and for every patient we set a target pressure. The normal pressure is up to 21. It does not mean that if a patient has glaucoma and has a pressure of 21, then the damage would stop. In certain patients, we need the pressure to be around 12 to 14 or maximum 16. What we do nowadays is that we keep a pressure in our mind something around 14 to 16, and we would want the pressure of the patient to be somewhere in between that. Whether that is achieved with one drug, two drugs, three drugs, or four drugs is different in every patient. If that is possible with the medication, we continue on that, and that medication goes on lifelong. If not, then we have certain other modalities like argon laser trabeculoplasty, in which we apply laser to the angle of the anterior chamber at the trabecular meshwork. That causes a slight decrease in pressure. With that, the medications that we are already giving give a better result. Even if with laser trabeculoplasty the pressure doesn't come down, then we go for surgical options. We have trabeculectomy, and we also have glaucoma shunts. Depending on case-to-case basis and different patients, we go for trabeculectomy. If that doesn't work, then we have the options of glaucoma shunts.